So this hose goes to over there, and I busted this connector, some kind of T connector. I don't know if this is a separate part or not, but it goes from the intake manifold to the heater hose. So you got this little okay, just here. So I'm not sure if this hose has to come completely off, or these fittings can come off near the connector, or what kind of tools you'd use for that. Dripping coolant there. Must not be too much of a pure coolant, because it looks like a lot of water in it. Of course, it's getting all over the place. Better find some way of sealing that up. So again, the intake hose from the intake inlet, I don't know what it is, some kind of intake manifold hose to the T connector there for the heater hose. So, broke it off, looking for a replacement.